Hey everyone, it's Ken Pulse and Data Monkey back for another episode of Monkey Shorts. And in this episode, I'm actually going to show you a trick that I've done before, but with a little added twist. So let's take a look at my Power Query here. And what you can see is that I have a nice little table, and one of the challenges here is that I don't have data types defined. So I'm going to select my first column, I'm going to press Control A, and what I want to do is press the Detect Data Types button that I've featured before. But I'm actually not going to do it from here. I'm going to do it from the one that's on my QAT. And there we go. I've got my new step created. Now, if you're used to playing around in Power Query, this might be a little weird because even though we have this little menu here, you'll notice there's no option to customize the QAT from here. So how the heck did I get that button on there? Well, it turns out that unlike the Excel interface where you customize the QAT here, what you need to do is you go to the button you want and you right click on it and you can choose to add to Quick Access Toolbar right here. So any command you're looking for, maybe you want fill, we could add to Quick Access Toolbar in this case here, and that is how you go about adding things to the QAT inside Power Query.
Thank you for watching this episode of Monkey Shorts. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to click on the SkillWave logo on the bottom left in order to subscribe to our channel. Or if you'd like to see more videos in the series, click on the playlist tile on the right. And if you'd like to get more comprehensive training, you should definitely check out our website at skillwave.training.